Okay, I want to give you all some tips on grocery shopping. I just went and bought some groceries. $270 for just me, a single guy, and it's not much. I did not buy any alcohol, any meat. I bought one thing of hamburger, which I refuse to buy hamburger normally because I'm not paying $7, $8 a pound for a pound of hamburger. But one of the couple things I want to make you guys aware of. Number one, the whole Kroger Plus card thing is a fucking scam. It's a waste of time and money because for $270 of groceries, my Kroger savings, my card, saved me $2.66. So less than 1%. So don't even bother with the Kroger Plus card. Might as well not have them track you because it's gotten stupid. They don't save you anything. Number two, F Joe Biden and F you if you voted for him. You can say what you want about Donald Trump, but don't tell me we'd be paying over $5 for a gallon of gas and $300 for a little bit of groceries if Donald Trump was still in office. I don't think so. You're an idiot if you think that. You must be a big idiot because you voted for him. Bring Donald Trump back. We'll see this bullshit go away. Okay, a couple other things. Cereal. The normal Raisin Bran cereal I like to buy, $6.50 for a small box of cereal. I did not realize that. I'm used to buying it, and I'm used to seeing like $3, $4 for a box of cereal. It's now $6.50 for a box of cereal. I'm done buying cereal. If you want to buy cereal, that's fine, but realize cereal has gone way up. Same thing with those little packets of oatmeal. If you buy those little things of oatmeal, those are typically, $3, $4. They're $6 now for the little packets of like oatmeal that we all had as a kid, and you get like 8 packets of oatmeal. It used to be 10, 12. Now it's like 8. And of little things of oatmeal, and you got to use like 3 of them for a regular bowl of oatmeal. $6. So I'm done getting oatmeal and I'm done getting cereal because that's ridiculous. A couple of the other things here worth pointing out. I get those little healthy meals. They're little frozen meals. They're like $4, so $3.79 here. That's a little high, but that's not bad. And honestly, they're good in as far as calories, so they're worth it. Progressive soup's gone up. That used to be like a buck and a half, and now those are $3 for a can of Progressive soup. So that's worth. The biggest thing is just the cereal, how much that's gone up. Let's see what else here that sticks out to me. The other thing I noticed was meat, besides just hamburger. If you get any thing like chicken, like you used to get chicken legs, like you get like a whole big thing of chicken legs, frozen chicken legs, and they'd be like $7. It was over $20 for a thing of chicken legs. Not chicken wings, because those get popular, those get expensive, but just chicken legs. You get like 8 chicken legs frozen or whatever, $20, over $20. So don't even get meat unless you just have a thing where you have to get meat. That's fine, but I get rye bread. It's a little expensive, but I like the that's $4.50 for the thing of beefsteak hearty rye bread, but I do like that type of bread, so I'll pay a little bit more for that. But the cereal, boy, $7 for a thing of cereal, $6 for a thing of oatmeal. Trying to see what else here. I think that's really the only thing that's really stands out as being just ridiculous. Milk is still reasonable. Everything else seems pretty reasonable, but those were the couple things that really stood out to me that were just ridiculous in price. So, anyway, number one, vote for Donald Trump. Get rid of that jackass Biden in office. Even problems with Russia and stuff we wouldn't be having. I could go on, but I won't make this a political debate. Number one, vote for Donald Trump. Get that jackass out of office. See if we can bring these prices down. Number two, cereal. Get rid of cereal. Number three, meat. Get rid of meat. Those 2 things right there just jacked way up in price ridiculously. And like I said, I didn't even buy any booze. Grapes are reasonable. Fruit was reasonable. Lettuce was reasonable. Not really seeing anything else standing out as being ridiculous besides those things. So, like I said, $270 for stuff I could fit in one cart just for one person for a couple weeks. Ridiculous.